Sandcastle worms, or its scientific name is Pragmatopoma californica, had teachers on how to make synthetic wet glue that mimics an adhesive secreted by this worm. Sandcastle worms live in the intertidal zone of the coast of California in sandcastle-like colonies, which are often seen on rocky beaches at medium and low tide. They may be found in any place that provides some shelter, such as faces, overhanging ledges, and concave shorelines. The small sea-dwelling sandcastle worm normally makes its tube-shaped home by using its tentacles to grab pieces of sand and shell from the water and attaching them with its own natural glue. In 2004, researchers from the University of California, Santa Barbara discovered that the glue used by the Pragmatopoma worm to build its protecting tube was made of specific proteins with opposite charges called polyphenolic proteins that contribute to stiffening of the materials as bioadhesives.
If the surgeon need to close the wounds that they open during the surgery, one of the methods is that they will use suture. They are literally sewing the flesh together like clothes. As you can see here, the surgeon is using suture to suturing the wound, and it leaves a very ugly mark. Method to close the wound is using adhesive. As we can see here, the closure of the wound is on the dry environment and not in the wet environment. Therefore, it is ineffective for the wound that are inside human body, because as we know, human body is full of blood and always wet.
Easy. The key is PGSA, the scientific term for the proteins the worm excretes. In the wild, it sets in 30 seconds, but used on the operating table with a blast of UV light, the adhesive sets in a mere 5 seconds. Medical researchers from the Boston Children's Hospital, where it's being tested, found it's stronger than the other leading adhesive, even in what they call a high dynamic environment, aka a beating heart that's full of blood.
Scientists claim that they can recreate this glue and use it safely. This will create new method for healing because it works in wet environment and is very strong.